What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we've had so many things in crypto that has given us a reason to see more bullish momentum, to see a bull run. And we're always hyped for it. We get really, really hyped. We get to that point and then nothing really happens. Now, for the one thing that did happen, we saw complete retracement from that point, which really upset us because we were like, all right, this is the thing. This is the thing that's going to absolutely explode the crypto market, right? We see things that are happening with Shiba Inu. We see things that are happening with Ethereum, which should have been the biggest thing to happen to the crypto market. Litecoin, all of these different things that we've seen, right, take place, and we think, oh, it's going to explode the crypto market because now people are set to buy or have billions of dollars that flow through this, which then flow out, and billions of dollars are flowing into the rest of the market. Well, we didn't see that. Right? The only thing that we saw multiple billions of dollars and a massive move with was XRP. Now, the whole XRP situation and where we kind of are is kind of confusing to some people, and why we didn't see a massive bull run after the fact was beyond me. But you start to understand why it's being held down, and the only thing that's really holding it back from truly exploding. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description as well. Don't forget about my Kick account. If you guys want to join me streaming, feel free to join. My goal is to get to 200 followers right now and to slowly move up on that. I know it's not the most popular platform, but it is a platform that's geared towards supporting creators right now by having a really good revenue split. So if you guys are looking to support us being a subscriber, it's better than Twitch, it's better than YouTube. So it is a way to support every single creator that's on that platform or that you know and love. So let's go ahead and talk about XRP a little bit. If we currently look at the price of XRP, it's at 50 cents. Now, if you were to ask me, and people did ask me, if you were to ask me that, you know, what would happen to XRP and where would it retrace to? I would tell you, after what has happened, right, that we would see a new floor that's being created. And I think we have seen a new floor, because I don't think it's going to absolutely drop well below this, right? We've seen XRP at 35 cents, you know, less than 40 cents. So that's a significant amount compared to where we are right now, the difference from where we are. So I would assume that it has a new floor. However, if worse comes to worse and you do have something that's insanely negative that kind of fights what we did have as positive news, then we could see it pull back even more. So what has happened, right? Just to catch you guys up, maybe you don't know about what happened with XRP. So XRP was in a 2-year battle trying to basically say, or Ripple was in a 2-year battle trying to say that XRP was not a security. And the SEC was saying that it was a security and that you illegally traded it and all this stuff, you illegally offered it. And that's not going to fly with them, right? So you have 2-year battle. It finally reaches its end to where XRP is not labeled a security. XRP skyrockets, right? It goes up to a level of 95 cents from that low that we saw of like less than 40 cents all the way up to 95 cents. And now we start seeing the crypto market make a move as well. The overall crypto market's at $1.29 trillion. We're like, all right, we're on the way. We're going to see this go to 1.4, 1.5, $2 trillion, all of that. However, one thing kind of turned everything around literally on the day of that announcement happening, right? Or that ruling happening. The thing that turned it around was the thought of an appeal. Like, that was the issue. And that whole process, you know, started to, you know, pull XRP's price back. Now, me thinking that, you know, there was going to be a new like low that they're creating around the old high. So it would be somewhere around 55, nowhere lower than 55 cents. However, it now is showing around 50 cents. So currently we're seeing it at a $26 billion market cap. Volume, we're seeing way less than what it was, you know, 31% down at about 500 million, which is still a lot of volume there. But it's not, when we look at the market cap, the volume to market cap ratio, a lot more people are kind of concerned as to what the outcome will be. And it's because the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission countering Ripple's efforts to appeal groundbreaking XRP ruling. The SEC, right? So basically, when you had this ruling, they're going to try and appeal it, and XRP's fighting that appeal, and you see the SEC that's really trying to just keep crypto down, right? So whether or not XRP violated securities laws in making XRP available to retail investors by putting it on crypto exchanges is absolutely a question that needs appeals court intervention. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission argued Friday. The SEC filed a response to Ripple memo, which argued the opposite as a part of its ongoing case against the crypto company closely affiliated with the XRP cryptocurrency. While Ripple argued last week that the SEC hadn't made a sufficient argument to warrant an appeal, Friday's filing pushed back forcefully. The defense themselves say that the issues have industry-wide significance and are of special consequence, the filing said, which is understandable. I mean, with XRP actually not being labeled a security and seeing Ripple win, you now have case law that sets the kind of the bar for everything else. And if you don't know, the SEC has a case with Coinbase, has a case with Binance, and they're just trying to fight crypto overall, stating that everything besides Bitcoin should be delisted and you shouldn't be trading it, and they should only be trading Bitcoin. Right? That's not something that will be good for an exchange. Then people would just trade Bitcoin more on the DEX rather than seeing things on CEXs, and the crypto exchanges you have no reason to make these moves into a crypto exchange. So it has a significant impact on the survival of these crypto exchanges, as well as seeing people that are going to buy other cryptos versus just buying Bitcoin. So it kind of incentivizes people to just purchase a Bitcoin and just leave everything else in the past, right? Don't go after anything else. So obviously, the only thing holding it back, if I was to kind of shorten this thing, the only thing that's holding it back is the SEC. They continue to hold cryptocurrency back, and until they find a way to adopt crypto, which they're fighting it every single step of the way, whether it's through Bitcoin ETFs, whether it's through Coinbase or through Binance or through Kraken or through different cryptocurrencies themselves, they are finding ways to just fight and fight and fight when there's no fight necessary. If they would just go and say, all right, how do we regulate this thing? Can we regulate it through crypto exchanges? Hold crypto exchanges accountable to regulate projects to make sure they're only putting certain projects on there. That would be the best way to do that. And they know that, but they just don't want crypto to explode. They're not ready for crypto to explode. So they're just holding it back every step of the way. This is an issue that we've been dealing with, and I hope that within the next year, before the Bitcoin halving, I would say, that we see crypto adopted at least to an extent from the SEC, because I don't want the Bitcoin halving to come up and then everything's still at lows or even lower, right? That would suck. So let me know your opinion on this. Is XRP ready to explode? I think it was already on the verge of exploding before they decided, hey, you know what? The judge doesn't know what they're talking about. Really? A judge doesn't know what they're talking about. Okay. Anyways, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.